Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into a legendary nameplate reborn, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 W-30. This is more than just a revival, it's a statement. A muscle car legend from the golden era of American performance, reimagined for the modern age. Let's break down everything that makes the 2025 442 W-30 a beast on the road and a worthy successor to the originals. First, let's talk about heritage. The Oldsmobile 442 was one of the most feared muscle cars of the late 60s and early 70s. The name stood for 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed transmission, and dual exhaust, a recipe for raw performance. But the real king of the lineup? The W-30 package, a hardcore performance option that turned the 442 into a street brawler with lightweight components, a hotter camshaft, and more aggressive tuning. The question is, can the 2025 version live up to that legacy? At first glance, the 2025 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 screams modern muscle. The design blends classic proportions with futuristic aggression. Up front, you get a wide stance, a bold grille with an illuminated Oldsmobile logo, and quad LED headlights, paying homage to the classic quad lamp setup. The long hood hints at the power underneath, and subtle W-30 badging lets you know this isn't just any muscle car. The side profile is muscular, with flared fenders and deep side vents that channel air for better aerodynamics. Around back, the signature taillights are a modern take on the originals, with sleek LED bars stretching across the trunk. And of course, the car sits on staggered 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ready to grip the pavement. Now, let's talk power. The heart of the 2025 442 W-30 is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, pushing out an earth-shaking 750 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. Oldsmobile might be a classic name, but this power plant is all cutting edge. With a 10-speed automatic transmission and an optional 6-speed manual, this car stays true to its muscle car roots while offering modern performance. A rear-wheel drive setup ensures that burnouts and smoky launches are just a throttle press away. But for those who want all-weather capability, an advanced all-wheel drive system with a performance bias is available. Oldsmobile engineers have fine-tuned the chassis to be more than just a straight-line monster. A magnetohelical suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, giving the 442 W-30 a balance of comfort and razor-sharp handling. Brembo 6-piston brakes up front, and 4-piston rears ensure this beast stops just as well as it goes. The limited slip differential helps put the power down smoothly, while an active exhaust system delivers an intoxicating growl that gets louder in track mode. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that blends retro touches with cutting-edge tech. The driver-focused interior features a digital gauge cluster that can display old-school analog-style dials or a futuristic performance readout. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, with a red W-30 logo in the center. The seats, deeply bolstered leather buckets with 442 embroidery and contrast stitching. You also get a heads-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium 12-speaker sound system, because every muscle car needs a killer soundtrack, both under the hood and through the speakers. But this isn't just a muscle car, it's a statement piece. Oldsmobile has packed the 442 W-30 with all the modern safety tech you'd expect. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a performance-oriented launch control system that ensures maximum traction off the line. So, who is this car for? It's for the die-hard muscle car enthusiast who wants nostalgia with modern engineering. It's for the drivers who crave V8 thunder in a world of electric silence. And most of all, it's for those who respect the badge. The 442 W-30 name means something, and this car delivers on that promise. The 2025 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 isn't just another retro-inspired muscle car, it's a true return to form. It's loud, powerful, and unapologetically American. And while electric cars might be taking over, Oldsmobile proves there's still room for raw, mechanical muscle. So, what do you think? Would you take the wheel of the new 442 W-30? Or is this, blast from the past, something best left in history? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.